So I told you, look, I'm not a marketer. I'm a software engineer. I didn't have to be a marketer to make money on Facebook, and you don't have to be a marketer neither. You just have to do very specific things over and over and over. And if you keep doing the right things, you'll actually start making money on Facebook. Don't have anything to sell? Don't worry, there's so many affiliate offers that you can promote. I have my own products. I got 7 software products that I let you promote and sell and keep 100% of the revenue. Like I said, I'm not a marketer. You don't have to be a marketer to actually make money on Facebook. Now, you're gonna get to watch me and look right over my shoulder and see every single day how I'm growing, the friends that I'm adding, the actual money that I'm making every single day from the same process I'm showing you. You're already gonna get to watch over my shoulder on that, but why just watch over my shoulder when you can work directly with me? So why just watch what I do and just watch over my shoulder and go in on your own and try to keep up and figure it out whenever you can actually work directly with me and help me actually build this amazing course together live every single day. There's a live group chat where this is limited to only 20 people. So there's a live group chat where we're going to be able to actually chat with each other, and you're going to get actually access to all the live material and all the training material that I'm actually putting together. We're going to have probably 2 live calls every single week, at least 1. But if you guys want to show up for 2, and if you guys will actually make time to show up for 2, we'll have 2 live calls every single week, at least an hour a piece long, where we'll actually work together, and we'll work directly with you to see what you're doing, to see if you're actually following the process, to actually help and guide you in the same direction that I'm actually going to recreate these results over and over and over again. Again, I'm starting back from 0 friends. I'm literally starting back from 0 friends. And instead of just watching over my shoulder and seeing how I do this, you know, just looking over my shoulder and catching my Facebook Lives every day and catching my Facebook posts every day, you'll literally get access to the course that we're actually building together. So you and me and 19 other lucky people are going to actually get in on this amazing offer to go in and have me work directly with you while we actually create this course together. All right, so the first 5 people are going to get an amazing, awesome deal. It's a one-time payment of $497, and the next 15 people after that are going to get another amazing deal, not quite as first as the first 5 people for $497. The next 15 people are going to pay $997, and then after those 20 people, it's completely closed until we together are actually successful and have all the actual course material, and I work actually directly with you. And then I'm going to launch the course, and it's going to be a minimum of $2,997. But I think everybody will agree that it's going to be totally worth it, even if I just help you make an extra $3,000 to $5,000 a month just from your personal Facebook account. It's going to completely pay for itself. And you first 20 people that are going to help me go in and actually be accountable every single day and be in the group that is actually creating the live training content as I go in every day and actually create the live training content, and I actually put it in the members area. You're going to have access to all that. You're not going to have to go in on my Facebook and you know, try to keep up with everything on my Facebook when I'm live or when I'm posting. Everything's going to actually be laid out there step by step in the course that we're actually creating together. You're going to have the live group training with me, the live, you know, group coaching with me. You're going to actually have the chat group, and you're also going to get the exclusive rights. Just you first 20 people, you're going to get the exclusive rights to actually sell and redistribute this course. You can sell it yourself, the course that we're creating, or you can give it away as a bonus for whatever you want to do. You can use it as an actual lead magnet. Some of you guys may have taken my courses before, and you know that I'm a great teacher. I'm a little impatient if you don't actually pay attention. So that's it. Like I said, I'm not a marketer, but I did ask you guys beforehand if this is something that you were interested in, and I had over 70 people say that yes, they were interested, and they would be more than happy to pay $997 to go through this journey with me and actually work together with me to see how I'm doing this and actually work with me together to actually build out this course. And for the first 5 of you, I'm giving you a huge discount. You're getting it for $497. If you're not in the first 5, then you're going to get $997. So if you're not in the first 5 and the payment fails, it's because I've got to go in and actually update the price for the next 15. So just wait a little bit and that will be updated and you'll be able to get in. But after the first 20, it's completely closed. You're not going to be able to get in it at any price whatsoever until us small little group of 20 people, we go in and we're accountable with each other and we actually create this entire course step by step and are actually getting results. And then we'll release the course and it's going to be a minimum of $2,997 from my side. And from your side, you guys are going to have the exclusive. No one else will have the actual rights to sell, to redistribute, or to give this course away as a bonus. Only you 20 people are going to have that. And again, if you don't think this is for you, don't take it. You don't have to take it at all. If you don't think this is for you, don't take it. The reason that there's a hefty price tag on it, if you think that $497 is hefty, you think that $997 is hefty, the reason that is because I want you to be dedicated. And obviously, if we're just being honest, I also want me to be dedicated enough in creating the training material for you instead of just getting the results for myself. I don't want to get lost in just getting another $50,000 for myself and not actually create the course material and not help you and not create the training material. So that monetary incentive actually keeps me in line where not only am I going in and doing the stuff that I need to do every day to go in and grow my own friends list and go in and get authority again and go in and get influencers again and actually monetize all the friends that I'm getting and make an extra $50,000 a month from Facebook, but to make sure that I also go in and take the time to help you have the same type of results and what you're doing. And like I said, if you don't have a product to sell, if you don't have anything to sell, I've got you covered with that as well, because I've got 7 amazing softwares that you can actually sell for whatever price that you want and keep 100% of the revenue. And then you're also, as the first 20, you're going to get the exclusive reselling distribution rights to the course that we're actually creating. So again, like I said, I don't want you to think that I'm trying to sell you anything. Or that you have to take this opportunity. If you don't want to take this opportunity, just click that no thank you button and just go on. You can watch me live every single day and you can go in on your own and try to grab the content. You won't have me actually helping you every single day in a group environment. You won't actually have group calls. You won't have a group chat. You won't have hand holding and us doing it together. You'll have me actually doing it for myself and these other 20 people and making sure that they're successful, and you can just go in and watch. That's totally fine. If you want to work with me instead of just watch over my shoulder, then I'm giving you a great offer, and it's only limited to 20 people, no more than 20 people. So it's up to you now to make that decision. So if you want to be one of those lucky 20, then just click the yes button, and if you don't, just click the no button.